Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Hello, and welcome back to this class. So in this class, we are going to be looking at managing the media library, meaning the proper naming and folder organization, organizing your folders and putting all your contents that you need for your designing your website in a particular locations. All right, so I'm just going to go over to my dashboard, my WordPress dashboard. All right, so this is our dashboard. So if we go over to our left sidebar, we are going to see media. All right, these are media. So all the images, if you are going to be using image, video, or any media files you are going to be using to build your website, this is where you are going to come to upload them. Though there are other methods when using Elementor and other page builder, but for the purpose of this class, this is the WordPress dashboard that you're supposed to use to upload all your media files, just in case every other one fails. So you come over here and click on it too. So I'm just going to show you how to manage it and place things in the locations whereby you can easily find them in case you want to build with them. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click on. Alright, I'll put my mouse on media. You see we have library, we add media file. So I'm going to click on library. So as you can see, these are the files that we currently have. It says showing 7 of 7. That means you automatically calculate how many files you have. So we have only 7 files here, and all of them currently showing. Alright, so if you come over here, alright, this is where you can either line them up, alright, in case you want them to be linear, or you can use the other method, alright, to show your libraries. Now everything you see here now, they are all images. Alright, as you can see, all media. I set this thing to be all media. That means it's going to show all the files that I have, whether I have music, video, they are all going to show up here. Alright, so if I have those things here, I want to use all media. I will come here and pick image. So as you can see, image is going to only show me images. Alright, so I pick image. So if I need video, I'll come here and click video. So as you can see, it said no media found. That what it means is that I currently do not have video on this particular website. So I mean audio, I mean to say. Alright, I clicked on audio. So it means that I don't have audio on this particular dashboard. So I can come here and still go to video. Same thing, the video file, I do not have any video over here. Alright, so I'll go over to documents. So mind you, on WordPress you can actually upload documents. You know, I know you might have visited some websites whereby you see that there are documents you can, like there are some websites whereby you can find projects of different schools where people submit their projects. So they majorly use WordPress for most of those sites. As we all know that 60% of the world of the websites we have on the internet was built with WordPress. So most of those websites that you see online are majorly created and designed with WordPress. Okay, so you can actually put documents on your website. This way you come to upload it. Alright, this media can upload anything, any files at all. This spreadsheet. Alright, so just going to show you that. Alright, this spreadsheet, and we have archive, we have unattached. What this means is that these are files that has not been used. You know that what they have been uploaded, but they have never been used. So in case maybe you have so many images on your website you have uploaded, and you want to make use of the image for a particular, you don't want to repeat a particular image, you just come here and click on, you set it to be unattached. Unattached means that these are files you have not used. So if you upload so many multiple images on your dashboard at the same time, you can come here and look for that particular files. Right, not only images, any file at all, is all file. Right, so you can mine this. Now we also have all dates. As you can see, all dates means the files, the date at which you put them in place, the date at which you uploaded these files. So you can see on the March we also we did some upload on March. On February we did some upload. Then on January, everything 2026 we did upload on January. So if you are making any uploads, if you are working on a project, you are making any upload, it is advisable to make sure that you jot down the date. So in case you are looking for any particular file on your media library, you just come straight to this place and look for that particular date where you did that upload. Hence, you have jotted them down, you will know where they belong. So you can come here and click on it. Once I click on January, it's going to take me here. So this is the only file we have in January. Let me zoom that in so that you can see proper. Currently, this is the only file we have that we uploaded in the whole of January. So we'll come to February. So these are the files that we uploaded in February. So we'll come over to March. So this is the file we uploaded in March. Then we come to all dates. We discover that all dates mean all the files. That is why we have here that it is 7 of 7 media items. So these are all the files that we have currently on this particular spot. So now, how do you upload media? You can either just come here and click on upload media, or you can come here and click on upload media. They say add media files. This is the easy way. So this is a shortcut for you to add media files. Another method of doing that is to go to your right hand bar and click on add media files. So you can either come here and click on add media files. So we are just going to be showing you an example of how to add files. Alright, hence I'll just use this shortcut, click on add files. You can see once you hit on add file, it's going to show you a pop-up. Alright, now you have maximum file size of 80 MB. Let me resume that properly so that you can see. It said drop files here. It's a drop file to upload. That means you can actually drag your file and bring it here, or you can just select files and it will take you to your library, your phone library or your system library, where you can gain access to your file. So the maximum file upload is 80 MB as set up on this particular on my dashboard. All right, so you can make use of this. You can edit this. So if you want to upgrade this your file upload, you have to go to your server. All right, so we'll look at that in one of our class as we proceed. We are going to look at how to upgrade this. So this is the default setting for WordPress. You can actually upgrade that to 200 MB, depends, but it's not that advisable to upload too many files through your WordPress dashboard. All right, so I'm going to go over and click on select files. So we can just pick on any files that we want to select. Alright, so I just pick on this and hit open. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. Okay, so as you can see, all the image we just added, they are all here. All right, I guess network was disturbing, that's why it didn't show up. So as you can see, we now have, these are the four images we just added. So if you check the bottom of it, you see that we now have 11. We now have 11 files. So we're formerly 7, so we just added 4, so that makes it 11 files. So you can click on it, any of the files, to edit. Alright, you can edit image. You can come here to crop in case you want to crop image. You can rotate image. Alright, you can also come here and cancel editing image. Once you are done editing your image, let me go back. Once you are done editing your image, you can click save. So you can see there is save file here. Over here, you can click save your file there, or you can cancel your edits. Alright, so you can come here and also delete. So in case you want to delete a particular file from your library, you can just come here. So you have options of view media files, edit, more details. You can download the file back to your desktop, or you can permanently delete this file. So you have all these options here. So currently we have all the images on this particular dashboard, so you can go ahead and upload any files that you want, and WordPress actually give you an option whereby you can edit the files the way you want it. You can resize it, and you can also delete them. Alright, you can see edit image, so you can resize, you can delete permanently, so you can do what you want with it. So this is how you upload your media library. This is how you upload files to your WordPress through your media library, and you make sure that you fix all the dates just in case you need to use a particular file. So once you are uploading those files, you need to keep your dates so that you can use these dates to search for them. So if I click on match now, you see only these files is available. So these are the file. This is the month of March. So all these files now is what we uploaded this March. So you can use your dates to look for a particular files. Alright, so that's all for today. I will see you in the next class.